Instead of guessing what to sell, I'm about to show you how to find real 10K a day winning products in just 5 minutes. We'll jump into my laptop in just a moment and pull up some real winning products that are making $10,000 a day or $300,000 a month for other stores right now. And 10K a day is a great standard for finding breakout products or products that are outperforming every other product out there. So my name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's jump into my laptop and get started. All right, so I'm gonna log into Zik Analytics, and this is the product research tool I use to find most of the winners on my own stores. And I talk about this all the time on my channel, so I won't go too deep into this, but I will leave a link down below in case you guys want to try this out yourselves. But we'll select the Product Explorer tool over here on the left-hand side, and it gives you a ton of search criteria to choose from. We're gonna go ahead and leave all of this blank since we want to find broad products. But if you're selling in like a specific niche or something, you can type in all of those keywords up here, and you can also sort it by product type. You can look up dropshipping stores, print-on-demand stores, one-product stores. You can even take a look at which ad channels they're active on. So you can select if they're running Facebook ads, Pinterest, TikTok, or Snapchat. But like I mentioned, I want to find broad products or products we can really sell to anybody. So I'm going to leave all of this blank. Right over here where it says the sales date range, I'm going to select 30 days. So like I already mentioned, 30 days is when you're going to find the most accurate data. You don't want to look at products that only performed well for 1 week and then dropped off. You want to find products that are performing well consistently every single month. And then over here where it says revenue, this is the monthly revenue. So I'm going to type in $300,000 or $10,000 a day. Since there's an average of 30 days in a month, 10,000 times 30 is $300,000 a month. So now that we have these two things selected, we'll go ahead and click search. And this is going to show us all of the current Shopify products that are hitting $10,000 a day. Zik compiles verified revenue data from live Shopify stores. So all of these products right here are making at least $10,000 a day or $300,000 a month. You are going to see a lot of junk products on here like gift cards that we can ignore for now. But something right here like this shoulder reliever that's doing over $300,000 a month for multiple listings, a product like that solves a problem, catches attention, it's very niche down and specialized, and you can sell it for almost $200. So there's definitely great margins on it. So already this would be a great product to sell. But Zik will show you when each product was uploaded, the price it's selling for, its 7-day sales, its 30-day sales, and its monthly revenue. And of course you can analyze each store further by clicking on this little icon right here. And this little button right here with the AliExpress logo will actually use AI to find the best AliExpress suppliers for you. So we'll take a look at that later. But for now, we'll scroll through this list and we can see all of these different products that are doing that $10,000 a day. And of course, not every Shopify store is a dropshipping store. So some of these products are going to be branded, or you'll get random products like this flea market booth, or even this foldable e-bike right here. You're just going to want to ignore a lot of it and specifically pay attention to the dropshipping products. So let's go ahead and take a look at that shoulder reliever brand that we saw at the top. So like I already said, this is a unique product. It's attention grabbing, it's problem solving. This is the perfect time to sell something like this. So taking a closer look at their store, we can see the brand is called Shoulder Reliever. Their website is rotatorreliever.com. They're based in the US. They're active on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, and they're running all of their ads right now on Facebook. They're a one product store with over 1,800 sales and $342,000 in revenue over the last 30 days. We can click right here to pull up their sales chart, and you can see how consistent their sales are. Looks like their sales dipped down a little bit right here, but they're increasing again. And you only want to focus on products that are consistent month after month, whether the sales are staying consistent or they're increasing. Let's exit out of there and we'll take a look at this brand's actual product page. It takes us to their landing page over here. And this is the product page that's doing $300,000 a month. Right away, we're hit with a pop-up form asking for our email. I like that. And they have a well-written description that tells the story as we scroll down. They have some social proof down here with some Facebook comments. They have videos showing how this product works and a ton of visuals in this description. I really like that. And then all of the reviews down here at the bottom of the page. This is a very good product page. I can see why they're doing the revenue numbers that they are. So going back over to Zik, we can go ahead and click on this little Facebook icon right here, and it's going to pull up the Facebook ads library for this actual brand. So we can see all of their active ads right now. So they have a fair mix of image and video ads. You can see what kind of offers they're running, what kind of ad copy they're using. And this brand actually has a lot of active ads right now. And I mean, it makes sense because they're doing over 300,000 a month. So you can definitely scroll through these ad libraries for other brands, get some inspiration for your own ads, some ideas for your offers, and just overall see how these other stores are selling these products. Now we'll go back to Zik one more time. And of course, you can take a look at all their social channels right here. So you can see what their organic strategy is on Instagram, YouTube, as well as Facebook. And that's very useful for when you're doing competitor research. So let's go back to this list one more time and let's go ahead and analyze one more product in store. All right, right, so another product that caught my attention is this mask right here. It's one of those LED red light masks in the beauty and cosmetics niche, and it's another popular product I've seen many times in the past. And there's a lot of stores selling this right now. So let's go ahead and analyze this store right here. Celeste Light, they're a one product store, over 600 sales, and over $500,000 in revenue over the last 30 days. That's almost double the last store we looked at. And here's their product down here. Let's take a look at their product page. So it says they're selling it for over $800. They have 37 high rated reviews. There's really not much content of this product right here. They have 3 product photos, not very detailed. It looks like a lot of these are actually taken off of AliExpress. Then you have some customer testimonials at the bottom. So they're probably doing really good with their marketing strategy because their landing page is terrible, but they're still doing over $500,000 a month with this product. So let's go back to Zik one more time, and we're gonna go ahead and source a supplier for this mask. So if this was something you wanted to sell yourself, you can go ahead and source a supplier using AI by clicking this little AliExpress icon. It's gonna go ahead and analyze your image, and it's gonna search for the best suppliers on AliExpress. And you can see all these related products down here. Now, obviously, some of these products aren't gonna be the exact match you're looking for, but a lot of them, like this one right here, are exactly what we wanna sell. And we just found a high quality AliExpress supplier in just a couple minutes. Now, of course, click on each supplier to verify their sales, their store's been in business for a while, and they're a reliable supplier. Like this one right here has over 1,000 sales, 187 high rated reviews, and they have brand plus service commitment. So they can actually get this product delivered in just a week, which is almost unheard of on AliExpress. So we can scroll down a little bit right here to see more about the actual brand selling this. So already this is a really good supplier. Go ahead and reach out to them, see if they support dropshipping and if their prices can come down at all. I mean, I know this is only $11, but a good supplier will let you source it for like 7 or 8. And that really adds up when you're getting hundreds of orders every single day. But of course, you can't depend on AliExpress suppliers forever. This is just a short-term solution while you're testing these products and finding a winner. As soon as you find and validate a winning product and start making sales every day, you need to find a private supplier. But that's a topic for another day. This is by far the easiest way to find winning products right now. Like I already mentioned, I'll go ahead and leave a link for Zik down below in case you want to try it out yourself, but you'll also find a ton of other helpful resources down there, like my free course to help you get started. And of course, if you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.